Hello everyone. Today I'm implementing a learning experience for my 3-week inquiry-based curriculum on sustainability called Caring for Our World Through Stories. So this activity is designed for the children aged 4 to 5 years, which is the preschool setting, where they are developing oral language, emergent literacy and symbolic thinking skills. So today's focus is on symbols and patterns, where the children explore how we can use visual symbols to communicate ideas about caring for the environment. So this links with the ECUR301 version 2 outcome 5, where children are effective communicators. So let's begin with it. Now I will show you some interesting symbols here. So look at this. What do you think of these symbols mean? Can you see? Yes, that's right. The symbol is for recycling. So where have you seen this before? That's a great answer. So we use this symbol when we want to put the things in the correct bin, so we can help to take care of our earth. So when we recycle, we are protecting the environment. So let's look at another symbol. What might this symbol be telling to us? Yes, it's about water. So what do we use water at home or at school? Great thinking. So these symbols remind us that we need to save water, because water is very important for people, animals and plants, including all the living beings. Now let's move to another symbol. Let's look. This is the one last symbol that we are talking about. So what do you think this shows? Yes, this is plant. And do you know what do you think this shows? Yes, it's about planting trees. So why do you think the trees are important for our earth? Excellent ideas. So tree help us to give us clean air and a home for the animals. Thank you. So as the children explore these symbols, they are developing early symbolic understanding, which is an important part of learning at this age, as described by Piaget. And through my questioning and support, I am scaffolding their learning within their zone of proximal development, as described by Lev Vygotsky. Okay, now we are going to create a pattern using the earth symbols. I will start with the patterns like this here, and then I want you to try creating like matching the same pattern. Now we are going to create patterns using these earth symbols. I'll start up this pattern and I want you to help me to continue this. So at first we're putting this one, and what comes next is saving water. Thank you. And what do you think that comes next? Great explanation. And I want you to try creating your own pattern using the symbols. You can choose any order. Here you go. Great job. Now let's share quickly. What did we learn about symbols? What can we use the symbols to help to protect our environment? Great thinking. So this activity supports inclusive learning by allowing children to communicate through speaking, pointing and visual symbols, which is especially for multilingual learners. So this experience supports the early learning framework version 2 outcome 5, as children develop communication through oral language, symbols and early literacy skills. Thank you.